Good evening friends. In this video lecture, I will discuss about the different types of the plant growth regulators or phytohormone or plant hormone. This is also known as the PGR. Shortly it is known as the PGR. Phytohormone, these are the substance which can accelerate or inhibit the plant growth activity or plant metabolic activity. Here they have divided into two different types of the PGRs. So first one is known as the growth promoter. This I have given the growth promoter, and second one is the growth inhibitor. So three hormones considered as a growth promoters: auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin. So these are considered as a growth promoter. While remaining two, so here they have given remaining two, abscisic acid and ethylene, these two are considered as a growth inhibitor. So they generally inhibit the growth of plants. I will discuss little bit brief about these different types of the hormones which we have mentioned here. Okay, so first one they have given about the auxin. Auxin is the precursor of auxin considered as a tryptophan. So this is considered as a tryptophan for precursor of the auxin hormone. And here one elements which play important role, that is zinc, act as a cofactor. So zinc, this are already important because most of the time they asked in NEET exam. So zinc and tryptophan. So these two are very important things. Tryptophan is the precursor of auxin hormone, while zinc is the element act as a cofactor. Second one, they have given the gibberellins. So gibberellins, it is the derivative of the acetyl CoA. So that is, you can say acetyl CoA. It involves through the mevalonic acid pathway. They forms the isoprene. Isoprene forms the terpene, and terpene ultimately is going to form the gibberellin. So this gibberellin function, it involves in the bolting phenomenon, means that is, you can say internode elongation, that is also known as the bolting phenomenon. So this function, stem elongation function performed by the gibberellin. Next is the growth promoter cytokinin. This is the adenine derivative. Cytokinin is the adenine derivative hormone, and this inhibits the apical dominancy. It inhibits the apical dominancy, and it also involves the cell division phenomenon, basically stem cell division. Because during the culture of tissue culture phenomenon, we use the auxin and cytokinin. Auxin generally auxin involves in the formation of root, while cytokinin involves in the formation of shoot in callus. So this is the role about the different types of the growth promoter. Like auxin, they have given about the auxin and auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin. So these three growth promoters. Another two remain, which is known as the growth inhibitor. So here they have given the growth inhibitor. In case of the growth inhibitor, these are the two, abscisic acid and ethylene. Abscisic acid also known as the ABA. It is the very important and number of question asked from this small abscisic acid. It is the antagonist function of the gibberellin acid or gibberellin. Okay, so it is the antagonist, means just opposite of the gibberellin. This abscisic acid involves in the opening and closing of stomata, and this abscisic acid also known as the stress hormone. This abscisic acid also known as the stress hormone. And the second one is the ethylene. So this ethylene is the hormone, phytohormone or PGR, which is found in the only gaseous form. And it is the very simplest. This ethylene is the C2H4, very simplest phytohormone, and its major function, it performs the triple response and fruit ripening. It involves in the fruit ripening. So this basic function, and fruit ripening, during the fruit ripening one phenomenon also happened, which is known as the climacteric respiration. This is known as the climacteric respiration. During the fruit ripening, the metabolic activity, respiration rate is going to increase. So this phenomenon is known as the climacteric respiration. So overall, this story about the auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin and abscisic acid and ethylene. So precursor of ethylene is considered as a methionine, and elements here copper also play very important role. So copper and methionine, these two also play important role for synthesis of ethylene hormone. So this is the overall story about growth promoter, that is auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin, while growth inhibitor abscisic acid and ethylene. So thank you.